All right, so our homework problem for tonight uses 4082, which is multiply or divide, to solve word problems involving multiplicative comparison by using drawings and equations with a symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem, distinguishing multiplicative comparison from additive comparison. Okay, so what we're going to focus on is the multiplicative comparison versus the additive comparison. Obviously, with multiplicative, it's going to use multiplication or its opposite, which is division. With an additive comparison, you are using addition or subtraction, which is its inverse operation. So when we look at a problem that involves this standard, which is tonight's performance task, you see that there's three different parts. There's part 1, and then there's part 2, and then there's part 3. So let's look at part 1 to give you some hints to get started. The cost to download one song is $1.99. So one song equals $1.99. And the cost to download an album is $12.99. So a whole album equals $12.99. The problem goes forward to tell us, or to ask us the question, how much more will you pay to download the album than just one song? How much more will you pay? So we are comparing what the cost of the album is compared to the cost of the song. And when you are comparing those two, you have to understand that you are setting up a problem that looks like that looks like $12.99 minus $1.99 is going to equal your variable, which I'm just going to name N at this particular point, because this is using what it costs to make the album versus what it costs to make the song. So if you complete this equation, you should come to a solution for the answer to this problem. But don't forget that there is a question: what is the relationship between the numbers in this problem? When we're looking back at the original question, how much more will you pay? Again, we have to consider the equation that we created. And that equation involves a symbol, an operation. And if you understand that operation and you refer back to the standard where you were talking about either a multiplicative comparison relationship or an additive comparison relationship, you will be able to identify which or what the relationship is for the problem. I hope this helps you on your homework problem tonight, and we will talk about it on Friday. Good luck.